Imagine for a moment a universe where our giant gassy neighbor Jupiter swaps places with the Sun. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it's fascinating to explore the mind-bending consequences for our solar system and any chance for life as we know it. First on the list, wave goodbye to the Sun's warmth. Jupiter, however large, does not possess the nuclear fusion capabilities of a star. Consequently, our solar system would descend into an unimaginable abyss of cold. Picture chilling temperatures dropping to a bone-rattling -240°C, -400°F, turning Earth into a frozen wasteland. Next, brace for a planetary shuffle. The immense gravitational tug of Jupiter would wreak havoc on the orbits of our planets. Earth, along with its brethren, could be flung into chaotic, elliptical paths. We'd be looking at potential planetary collisions or even ejections from the solar system, a real-life cosmic pinball game, if you will. From there, we'd move into a tidal tug-of-war. The moon's influence on Earth's tides is well known. Now picture Jupiter, hundreds of times more massive, exerting its pull. Earth's crust would be subjected to violent, continuous shifts leading to earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions on an unprecedented scale. Even the mountains wouldn't be safe. Then, there's the Comet Chaos. Jupiter's presence would heavily disturb the Oort cloud, a collection of icy objects at the edge of our solar system. Countless comets would rain down on the inner planets, showering them with icy debris and further disrupting their orbits. This bombardment could potentially sterilize entire planets, wiping out any existing life. Life as we know it would change dramatically. With the sun's warmth gone and no other star close enough, photosynthesis would cease to exist. This eliminates most life forms on Earth and other planets dependent on sunlight for energy. However, some extremophiles, organisms thriving in extreme environments, might find refuge in hydrothermal vents deep beneath the frozen oceans. While the picture painted here might seem bleak, it underscores the delicate balance of our solar system and the critical role the sun plays in sustaining life. Pondering such hypotheticals helps us appreciate the unique conditions on Earth and the vastness of possibilities in the universe, even if they're not always conducive to life. So, to sum it up, swapping Jupiter and the Sun would be a cosmic disaster recipe, leaving our solar system unrecognizable and devoid of most life forms. But it's a fascinating thought experiment that reminds us of the amazing stability and balance that make our little corner of the universe so special.